Creating a 3D view is simply a matter of using one of the built-in camera tools. Click on the camera tool and then drag and release your mouse to create a specific 3D view. To change the view orientation, use your arrow keys or choose the camera move tools to orbit, pan, dolly, or create the center point to rotate your views. You will also notice several other camera tools in the toolbar you can use to create just the right view you desire, including glasshouse and dollhouse views. To increase the resolution of your 3D view, right-click on the screen and select Final View. Any 3D view you see on your screen you can export to an image file to email or print for yourself, family, or friends. You can also record your own virtual tour by recording your camera views and movements and then saving as a standard AVI file. Remember, with these 3D views, you can continue to change and edit your designs. So whether you work in 2D plan view or 3D view, both will update your design for maximum flexibility and help you better visualize your designs.